Ethereum (ETH) community is eagerly awaiting the Shanghai upgrade, which will enable the withdrawal of staked ETH, ending a 2-year wait. Testing of staked ETH withdrawal on the Zhejiang testnet showed no issues. The upgrade is expected to be launched on the Ethereum mainnet in March. Development activity has increased in the build-up to the upgrade, and staking activity has also been steadily increasing over the past few weeks. Price of ETH dipped below $1,600. However, big addresses are bullish on ETH's price, and the 30-day MVRV ratio has gone into negative territory, indicating that sales won't give back profits to ETH holders. Additionally, the number of long positions for ETH has increased significantly, indicating that investors expect ETH to pump in the coming days. This article provides a comprehensive overview of the Ethereum ETH community's excitement for the Shanghai upgrade, which will enable the withdrawal of staked ETH after a 2-year wait. It also dives into various aspects of the network's activity, such as development activity, staking activity, validator revenue, and the price of ETH. The overall sentiment is bullish, with investors expecting ETH to pump in the days to come, as evidenced by the increasing supply held by top addresses and the number of long positions for ETH. The article also provides helpful resources, such as the Ethereum profit calculator, for investors to use. Cardano ADA experienced a 5% decline after the US PCE data showed an increase in inflation. The token has been oscillating within the $0.3630, $0.3676 range and may break out of this range soon. If it breaks out to the upside, bulls could target the $0.3696, 38.2%, and 50% Fibonacci levels. If the breakout is bearish, short sellers can target $0.3580 and $0.3450. Demand for ADA has improved after Friday's decline, but sentiment is still negative. This article provides an overview of Cardano's current market position. It explains that Cardano has been oscillating between $0.3630 and $0.3676 and suggests potential targets for both bulls and bears. It also mentions that the relative strength index on the 3-hour chart is in the lower ranges, reinforcing the bearish sentiment. Furthermore, sentiment data indicates that funding rate recovered after a sharp decline, mean coin age is on a rising slope, and the weighted sentiment is negative. These metrics indicate that Cardano's market position is neutral to bearish. Shiba Inu has experienced a 10% increase in the last 30 days due to the expectation of the beta launch of its Layer 2 network, Ethereum. Founded in 2020 by an anonymous techpreneur, SHIB has become a popular meme cryptocurrency. It has been praised by tech billionaires Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. SHIB is currently valued at $0.00001191 and has potential ROI of 322% in 2021. Predictions for SHIB in 2030 range from a minimum of $0.00000325 to a potential ROI of 2,878%. SHIB's future growth depends on the development of its platform and its ability to create innovative use cases. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, and its price is influenced by Bitcoin's price like all other cryptocurrencies. There is a lot of anticipation and uncertainty regarding the future of Shiba Inu. Elon Musk's takeover of Twitter, Google Cloud and Coinbase's relationship are all factors that could potentially affect the price of Shiba Inu. A partnership between Binance and EasyPay is another factor that could potentially affect the price of Shiba Inu. The launch of Shibarium and SHIB, the metaverse later in the year, will help Shiba Inu become more of a full-fledged platform. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency, SHIB. It details its history from its launch in 2020, mentioning the involvement of tech billionaires Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin, as well as the community's involvement in initiatives such as the Fellows in AI Existential Safety and the Shiba Inu Rescue Association. It also looks at the impact of the meme coin's huge number of crypto whales selling and burning the currency, and its success when it was listed on Coinbase and Robinhood Markets Incorporated. It further outlines different predictions and opinions from crypto analysts and experts regarding SHIB's future price and ROI, while taking into account market events that could affect its growth. Finally, it looks at the impact of the upcoming Ethereum merge and the potential of the Shiba Inu ecosystem's metaverse, gaming, and NFT segments. This article provides an overview of the potential factors that could influence Shiba Inu's price this year. It mentions the hype surrounding the coin, its inclusion on major broker platforms like Robinhood, the takeover of Twitter by Elon Musk, its partnership with Google Cloud and Coinbase, and its possible collaboration with the World Economic Forum. It also discusses the recent partnership between Binance and EasyPay, and the upcoming launch of Ethereum and SHIB, the metaverse. All of these are potential factors that could affect the coin's price, and investors should conduct their own research before investing.